A trend is a general direction in design that is currently popular in the world. It doesn't have to be brand new. Actually, most of the trends stay with us for years and get minor changes from time to time. Follow the trends or ignore them. It's up to you to decide. We recommend you use them as a source of inspiration. So here are the top 10 typography design trends for your inspiration and use. 1. Gradients. Combining typography and gradients helps to give your design a cool depth effect. Filling your fonts with various bright shades makes them look alive and glowing. You can also experiment with the shadow colors, like in these examples. Animated typography. In 2022, animation fans continue their experiments with typography. Designers are allowed to ignore traditional rules, apply new techniques, and bring shockingly fantastic results. The only challenge is to make such animation readable. 3. Serif fonts. Serif fonts are experiencing a new popularity wave, but be careful, not all of them are suitable for creating really modern designs. Look carefully at our examples and get to know which serif fonts are on trend this year. 4. 3D typography. This year, the 3D trend will spread on typography as well. Creators are going to focus on geometric shapes and exceptionally realistic forms and colors. Such 3D fonts and letters will look great in apps and website design, presentations, posters, and more. 5. Outline fonts. Outline fonts have been taking over the world of design. Compared to traditional typography, these fonts combine the modern look and minimal design elements which we have been loving for years. 6. Retro fonts. Today's retro style is a throwback to the early 50s aesthetic. You can easily create it by using warm tones, natural and shaded color palettes, and realistic scratches. Expect to see such retro typography not only on posters and food packaging, but also in website and app design. 7. Layered effects. Blending typography and pictures is a new way to make design look more interesting and exciting. This year, we'll be seeing cutouts and text elements filed with various prints, images, and backgrounds. Here's some quick examples. 8. Handwriting styles. Most designers love handwritten fonts for their versatility. In 2022, you can see them in logo types, posters, fashion, UI designs, and more. We think this trend has incredible potential, so make sure you have some handwriting fonts in your collection. 9. Glitch effect. This trend has been with us since 2021, but it's still relevant and applicable. The only thing you should pay attention to is the font's readability. 10. Unusual typography. An obsession with experimental fonts has been spreading over the design community for the last few months. Vivid and interesting styles, unique forms, funky shapes, and colors. Designers use them to add personal style to their fonts and projects. We're sure you'll love this trend because it gives you complete creative freedom. That's it for today. Check out TemplateMonster.com for more trendy fonts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more design tips.